Let's talk about deceptive cadences. A few videos back in the series, we talked about how deceptive cadences can be used to end a chord progression without reducing any of the energy in your music. The most common types of deceptive cadences follow the 5 dominant 7 chord with either a minor 3rd chord or a minor 6th chord. However, these aren't the only options available when working in a major key. You see, modal chords can be used to bring a little more chromatic color to the music and give your deceptive cadences a bit more personality. The first option is from the parallel Phrygian mode. In this cadence, you will follow the 5 dominant 7 chord with a flat 2 major 7 sharp 11. Now that may seem like an intimidating chord, but it's really not. Let's break it down. First, start with the second scale degree of your key. In the key of C major, that would be D natural. Next, lower it by a half step to get D flat. From here, it's just a simple matter of building a major 7th chord, which is a major triad with an extra major 3rd on top. This gives us D flat major 7. The final step is to add the sharp 11. Now, an 11th is just a note a perfect 4th above the root of your chord. So a sharp 11 is the same note, but a half step higher, making it a tritone. A tritone from D flat is G natural. So add it to the mix and we get our flat 2 major 7 sharp 11. This chord works as a resolution because it still resolves the functional tritone like a regular deceptive cadence. And because the 7th and sharp 11 are the same notes as the 1st and 5th that we find in the tonic chord from our key. Our second option is the flat 3 major 7 13 from the parallel Dorian. The process here is the same as before. Start with the 3rd scale degree of your key, which in the key of C major is E natural. Lower it 1 half step to get E flat, and then build a major 7 chord. Finally, add the 13th, which is just the note a major 16th above your root. In this case, a C natural. And you have your chord. Once again, this option works because it resolves the functional tritone and contains both the 1st and 5th scale degrees of the tonic chord. Our third option is the flat 6 major 7 from the parallel minor key. Once again, our process is the same. Start with the 6th scale degree, which in C major is A natural, lower it a half step to get A flat, and then just build a major 7 chord. This gives us A flat major 7. Once again, this chord works because it has both the 1st and 5th scale degrees of the tonic chord and resolves the functional tritone. Finally, the fourth option is the flat 7 major 7 9 13 from the parallel mixolydian. Once again, we'll start with the 7th scale degree and lower it a half step before building another major 7th chord. Finally, we'll add the 9th and 13th, which are a major 2nd and major 6th above the tonic respectively, to get our deceptive resolution. As with all the others, having notes in common with the tonic chord are what helps this chord resolve to the cadence. Each of these chords are excellent options for ending your chord progressions with colorful and chromatic cadences. I hope you found this helpful. Until next time, keep studying, keep working hard, and keep writing new music.